Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I always dress like a schlub, but why should I when I can get some nice shoes? So check out these shoes I got. So let's see how these look here. They're super light, and they seem like they'd be pretty comfortable, but let's see, they're like leather looking shoes, and Go Tour. So let's take all this stuff out of it here. It's very well foamed to keep its shape. So they actually look pretty nice, so if I have to dress nice, on a budget, this is the way to go. So take out these. So this is how they look. I'll show you guys how they're kind of made here. They're very nicely well stitched. The leather here, it's got a good look to it. It really looks leather-y. It's got the nice little metal clip on it here. Now let's see how comfortable they are. I'm gonna aim you guys down at the floor, and you can watch me with my shorts on, putting on some shoes. And I think I got I think it was an 8 or 8.5 or something, which is what I normally wear. I'm not wearing any socks now, so I got a little bit of space in there. But this is what they look like. It's got a nice feel to it. I think it's got like a good rubber bottom. They're not super wide up here. I can kind of feel the sides. My feet aren't very wide or anything, so they fit me fine. So here we go. So this is what they look like, and this is what they look like on a guy without any socks on, wearing shorts. But they're good and comfortable, so if I have to dress nice for something, this gives me the ability to look fairly nice and not be super uncomfortable either. So I think it's pretty cool. So I like these shoes. Thumbs up.